Hello friends, welcome to Amy Study Lover. Tuni topic discussion di chu Manipur GK EIMIPAO bol sajing mawa si bol ki duhin part 7 ai lung tawin ai le adang sei tam kilovin question answer alut ki taute. Question number 1: On what date Khongjom War was fought between Manipur army under the leadership of Pauna Brajabasi and British troops? British troops le Pauna Brajabasi Manipur se peilam kai na chu Khongjom War chu an umam mati he itin na chun umam. Option A B C D hong ki pin. Option A na chun 23rd May 1891 ham, 23rd April 1891 tu ni, 23rd April ni hin 1891 ya chum ham, 25 April 1891 ya chum, 29 August 1857 ham. Correct answer chu le option B on 23rd April 1891 tu ni khwa he Khongjom War chanom he. Khongjom War chu Pauna Brajabasi le British ten ki do hin cha chun na British ten phai sungaไม่เลยเตะอมโกลว่าบริติชเต็นมุนติน่าไซต์ทุ่มลางอมโกลว่าบอลซาว่านายปาวน่าบัจบาสีเฮอันท้าวเฮอันโจลบุบริติชเอ็นโจเฮจีอาชูตัวเฮอามาเฮจิงเนี่ยดิ่งเมมโมเรียลปากคงจอมาหุ่นเอาเมมคงจอมวานเมมโมเรียลตีนองเขียนจีฮีพายโมเรียลลัมปีลังเอาจีเลยเขียนนั่นเวทเที่ยวเฮอบานชาลูตินIn what part of Manipur bamboo forests are abundantly grown? Ay muna hi go ha ke penam ti. Option correct answer chule option A southwestern nga ha ke pen ne. Aban question na saina chu hi le mention one place where rubber are grown in Manipur. Manipur la rubber halai ki tuam. Option A B C Chandil, Jiribam, Ukhul, More. Correct answer is option B Jiribama. Rubber plantation omine. Aban chalutin in which year Board of Secondary Education Manipur established? Bosem chuita established niyam. In 1973, in 1975, in 1985, 1980, which one is the correct answer? So the correct answer is option A, 1973. Bosem na established tai. Next question to Manipur University itia anaki put doa mati na he. Manipur University is established on June 5, 1980. June 5 World Environment Day tin dong ke na he. Manipur University agiat na hin. World Environment Day June 5 Merchi na ding bay khat June 5 ni World Environment Day to 1980 Merchi la yengen. A theme trailer World Environment Day theme exam ang ki dong jing khat na is important hin. A theme to bit 2018 a theme trailer beat plastic pollution na kiti is important Merchi ding apat ai. Okay, aban chalo tin. Next question is in the what is the present literacy percentage of Manipur? Manipur present literacy rate to Yanham 68.87 ham. No. Correct answer to option C 79.85 eh. 2011 census dung zu yaong kila hin. Option A 2001 aso itai. Aban chalutin LMS law stands for LMS law na say chu Liberal Manipur Society Law College ham Longjam Mani Singh Law College ham Laren Mayum Sobita Law College ham Laren Mayum Sebyasi Law College ham. Correct answer is option D Laren Mayum Sebyasi Law College ham ai Manipur lading a law college ham abohi hilai kilomin koi da bang lo jil no sin lai chana ga chi theo hi. Next question na say chuile Manipur name the Manipur prominent artist who made the statue of Bhakya Chandra capturing elephant now standing at the heart of Imphal city and The statue of Keithil Laren B in Ima Keithil. Bagya Chandrain Sayamat Pai Sunga Ima ke Akimu Hu Hinton Ima Keithila Laren B Kiti statue Khatami Chu. Hichi same hu koyham mati artist ko theme chu koyham ti option A B C dong ki pira matra movie singham ibungo har singham ratan tijam ham Meisnam B singham. Correct answer is Meisnam B sing option D. Meisnam B sing in aya chi ves he so ke deu hin pai chi su la tam join ma market ko ma hin chi paya bagya chandra sai chung akal gut pe ta hin ai jo Meisnam B sing in a sip me he. Okay, aban chiuten. Okay, Manipur Winter Festival was held annually in Kumsia. Manipur Winter Festival chu like mangjingam ti so Manipur ada Chandi laham, Tingno palaham, Tameng longaham, Khulaham. Correct answer chu let Tameng long C option C here he. Tameng long Winter Festival ki manni. Tameng long so na chu Winter Festival ta ke ma sa Orange Festival ta. Tameng long hon anamang mitian naman jing khatre hin ta hin state level a festival a hung chia winter festival hung kit yai tai na ban chalo tin. Next question is ile this was the first from our state to get the coveted title Arjuna Award in the year 1992. 1992 Arjuna Award sports lampang he sports ada sang pen loi tai Manipur adinga asang masa pen chu koyham mati option A Nil Kamol ham Mary Kom ham N Kunjarani Devi ham D Dinku Singh ham. Correct answer chu ile option C N Kunjarani Devi in Arjuna Award chu Manipur adinga masa pen ni dingan kisan ta nahi aban chalo utin aban last question ngai dan dunia dinga question is chu ile under of Armed Forces Special Power Act again chi 1980 acha Manipur pum pian apply hoi Armed Forces Special Power in apply ti la chen am songa hi koi tabang sepe otha nei na ki pi ni chi sepe ho chen koi tabang mi gin mo ma na dare nga mat na amat yeng thei chona tam hana gin mo ha gin mo la tha thei ai wanga chi ju dei loi asa Manipur mi tan ki phina under public pressure was lifted from certain areas of Manipur pum pia na ki chi sa talo ha ki phinji wa chu munnia hi ala mun khana hi ham ala mun pera chu ana kila do ham chi lo chu option A B C hong ki D hong ki pin option ya chu Imphal East lewe sa ki bol ham kila do ham thoba le Bishnupura kila do ham le Imphal East bo sha kila do ham le Imphal West bo sha kila do ham. Correct answer chu hi le option A Imphal East lewe sin kila do ta nahi hi loi de chan chu hin tin tu nya ding in discussion ki pa min tu chan gyane hin ve pon tho ta la subscribe nei bor pi jivin ki pe na ba na jong bor je thini ding in like comment subscribe nei bor pi win ki pe ki ma pha chu nan tei